Hello everyone and welcome to this in-depth tutorial on how to use Monday.com for task management. So Monday.com is a powerful and flexible tool that helps teams and individuals stay organized, collaborate effectively, and hit their goals in time. So either you're a seasoned project manager or a new to task management, this guide will walk you through the basics and some advice tips. So of course, when you log into Monday.com, so you will land here on the main workspace of the dashboard. So what you need to do here is to go to the dashboard, and this is where you'll be able to see this one. So you can see here the control center where you can manage boards, track progress, and collaborate with your team. So here the boards, guys, are a digital workspaces, and workspaces are collections of boards. So as you can see here, you'll be able to see that one, and here when you click this one, you can make a new workspace here depending on you what will be the name of your workspace. So for example, that one is this task management, because this tutorial is about, of course, the task management. So either you want to open it or close, and then of course tap that button, the add workspace. So as you can see that, and here you'll be able to see here template. So depending on you, if you wanna choose a template for your tasking. So as you can see here, so you'll be able to see here this one. So you can add here a description about your task management here. So here, guys, so after that one is, you can see here, so you can invite members or teams to this workspace. Of course, you need to type their Gmail, and then here you can also see here the permissions, the recent boards, and then so what you need to do here is add from templates, or you can start from scratch. So here you can see here different templates here. So here, this website is a task and project management that will help you organize it. So here you will love about this website is their customizable boards, so here to fit in workflow, and then of course the real-time collaboration, so to keep your team in sync, and then of course they have their visual dashboard to track progress at a glance. So by the end of this tutorial, you will be ready to use this Monday.com like a pro. So here, right after you log in, so you'll be able to see that one. So you can create your first workspace for a project. You can click the add plus workspace, but then click the button, name it, and invite your team members. Of course, what you see a while ago. So here is, so inside your workspace, guys, is you'll be able to see there a add button. So here, guys, is you can select new board, then of course you can name your board. For example, that one is team task, or depending on you guys. So you can decide whether to start from scratch or use template, and then for this tutorial we did use a template. So on your new board, guys, you will notice several key sections. So for example, that one is the group. So these are like task categories. So for example, to do, in progress, and of course done. And here, guys, in the columns, so these hold information about each task like due dates, assignees, or priority levels. And then here is the items. So these are individual tasks or projects. And then here in the to create your first group, you need to click add group and name it, for example, depending on you. So you can see here you will be able to see your new task, or you can make it to-do list. So add task by clicking new item. So you can name your task, and then you can use columns, guys, to add more details. So add a person column to assign the task, of course, and then add a status column to track progress, and then of course the add a date column for the deadlines. So here, guys, this website makes it easy to customize boards to match your workflow. So here you can simply click the add column. And in here, guys, is this website also offers several ways to view your tasks. For example, that one is the table view. So here is a default spreadsheet like a view, and then here is the calendar view. So this is perfect for visualizing the deadlines. And here is the timeline view. great for tracking projects over time. And then of course, the view that we are using is the Kanban view. So this is ideal for agile workflows. So here you can switch views by clicking the add view button at the top of your board. And then here guys, the collaborating with your team, you can assign tasks to team members using the person column here. You can also use the update section under each task to leave comments, share updates, or attach files. And then here you can tag teammates using the @ symbol to notify them directly. So keep all communication centralized within tasks to avoid confusion and of course reduce email overload here. So here guys is you will be able to also to see here the automation. So here you can choose here when a task is marked as done, move it to the done group, and when a due date arrives, notify the assignee. And here you can customize the automation rules to fit your workflow. So of course guys, the automation save time and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. So here the tracking progress with your dashboard, you can go to the dashboard tab in your workspace, and then of course you'll be able to see there the add widget to include charts, timelines, or workload views. So here you can use the workload widget to see how tasks are distributed among your team. So dashboards are a great way to get a bird's eye view of your project and of course identify potential bottlenecks. So of course the last is integrations and the apps. So here you can go to the integration center and contact tools like Slack, Google Drive, or even Zoom guys. So this you can use integrations to streamline your workflow. For example is it create tasks from emails or syncing deadlines with your calendar. And here with integrations you can connect monday.com to all tools your team already uses. So here, making it a true productivity powerhouse. So here guys, you'll be able to see here in this video is what I'm doing here is I'm now editing my main dashboard. So this is just a preview, and you'll be able to see here add column. You can add another column here, essentials or the super useful column guys. So here depending on you, and here you'll be able to see here more column if you tap that one. And that's it. You've now got the tools to start using monday.com for task management. So either it's a personal project or a large team effort, this website can adapt to fit your needs. So thanks for watching guys, and if you really found this video tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and of course share it guys. So see you next time guys, and thank you for watching my video. Bye!